Hi everyone, this is Gina ACME CNC Equipment Company. Today let's talk about the open type fiber laser cutting machine. It has been installed in many countries. Beside me is our Optum 1.5 kW LP3015S machine. Power can be from 1 kW to 6 kW. Table size can be from 3 by 1.5 meter to 12 by 2.5 meter for your choice. Of course, we can customize for you according to your requests. Okay, now let's introduce some details for you. This is the laser head. We use a Retus autofocus BM110 laser head, which has autofocus, fly cutting, and anti-collision function. Autofocus to reduce human intervention and improve the cutting efficiency. Fly cutting can improve the cutting efficiency and ensure the cutting precision. When the laser head detects the barriers on the plate, it will jump over it, so it can protect the laser head and the metal plates. At the same time, we can also provide the Germany Pricitech laser head for you. This is our custom aluminum beam. It has high strength, which can support steady cutting in high speed, dual drive design, and a stable transmission to ensure high precision cutting. Next, let's see our machine bed. This is our machine bed. It's a 5 mm steel tube welded machine bed. According to our experience, it's strong and stable enough with long service life. We also have another strong 25 mm steel plate welded machine bed for high power using. All of machine beds have been heat treated. We can guarantee no deformation at least 30 years. With our large CNC milling center, we can mill the machine as a whole to ensure high precision. Our machine equipped with the high wind reel and VYC rack to ensure long-term operation for your production. This is China Hanli water chiller, which can cool down the temperature of laser source and laser head. If you need, we can also provide S&A and Tongfei brands. This is the laser source. It's one of the most important parts of the whole machine, which has high electro-optical conversion efficiency, compact size, good beam quality, and maintenance-free. Because we are strategic partner with the laser source, so we could provide the machine with better cost and service. We could provide Max, IPG, recast, and Enlight for your choice. This is the control cabinet. You can see all of drivers and contactors and so on. To ensure the quality, we use the original Japan Yaskawa Sigma 7 model or Panasonic brand servo motor and servo driver. As usual, we use the Japan Simple reducer. We can also provide a France motor reducer for your reference. Here is the France Schneider electrical components and Japan SMC pneumatic components. This is the operation table. It's very easy to operate and can be moved. To make the best use of all of these fantabulous components, our machine equipped with China top subcut FSCUT 2000 cutting system, which supports basic processes such as fly cutting, leapfrogging, compensation, and pre-perforation, and so on. Our machine is also equipped with China Subnest nesting system. It's available for your technicians to operate the machine, and it will help you design the cutting path. Then you can cut multiple different drawings on one plate. which will save you more material cost. Cutting 3mm carbon steel plate with oxygen, the speed can reach 2.9 to 3.2 meter per minute. Cutting 3mm stainless steel plate with air, the speed can reach 4.2 to 4.5 meter per minute. This is our 3 by 1.5 meter fiber laser cutting machine. It can be loaded by your standard 20-feet container. We are a professional manufacturer in China. What are the machines we produce? And what are the technology we develop? Our goal is to help you get a good machine. If you are looking for the fiber laser cutting machine, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.